Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then select About at the top. Here you will see your serial number. Tap and hold on it, then copy it. Next, open Safari and search for Check iPhone Serial Number. From the results, choose the official Apple website, Check Coverage, Apple. Open it in Safari, then paste your serial number into the box and continue. If your iPhone is original, the website will show you its details and coverage information. If it's fake, it won't display any valid information. And that's it. Now you know how to check if your iPhone is original or fake.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.